Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be comparing QuickBooks versus Sage, which is the better small business accounting solution for your business. Really, no matter what size business you're running, which is the best accounting software for you and your specific needs with your business when it comes to managing your bookkeeping and accounting, managing transactions, and just having a better visibility of your overall financial picture in your business. Again, comparing both the pros and cons, similarities and differences, and really which is the better solution for your specific needs when taking a look at Sage Accounting or QuickBooks by Intuit. So before we dive in, I do want to mention you can get special pricing with my link down in the description box below for QuickBooks. That's brennanvalesky.com/QuickBooks. If you do want special pricing on QuickBooks, you can go ahead and check out that page. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the comparison. So taking a look, of course, both QuickBooks and Sage offer small business, mid-sized business, and larger scale business accounting software solutions for managing transactions and getting, again, better visibility into your finances, taking a look at profit and loss statements and having really solid detailed reporting and being able to see how your business is doing at a glance and an overall picture. Both of them offer the ability to import bank transactions automatically, which is definitely a huge step above just doing accounting maybe with Excel or Google Sheets or just a regular spreadsheet. These both offer the ability to import those bank transactions, which is really, really nice. It makes things just a lot easier on your end when it comes to managing those transactions that come in to your business. You can link all of your different business bank accounts, credit cards, all of your different financial picture, getting all those different financial products imported in on both of the different softwares. As you can see here, taking a look at the dashboard for Sage, as you can see here, you could see your overall income statements, your profit and loss, seeing where things come from. In addition to your overall dashboard within both of them in terms of managing your overall profit and loss and seeing your income statements. Again, you can also track expenses and you can do invoices with both different softwares. So both of them offer invoicing built in as well, which is really nice in order to send payments or receive payments for your accounts. So you can send nice invoices with both of them, which is really cool that that's both included with both of the softwares here. Whether you're using, again, either QuickBooks accounting or if you're using Sage Accounting. So both of them offer the ability to do invoicing and payments, which is really nice there. And in addition to the invoicing, both softwares again offer these dashboards. They do both also have a mobile app for your accounting needs on the go. So you can also manage your invoices on the go for generating quotes and invoices on the go. So both Sage Accounting offers the mobile app, as well as Intuit QuickBooks offers the mobile app as well, so you can track things on the go. And I will say both mobile apps are pretty solid in terms of seeing things on the go. Of course, you're going to have the best experience managing things on a laptop or on a computer, of course, but at least both do offer a mobile app, which is nice for tracking things on the go. Now, in terms of the pricing, I do want to get into the plan pricing comparisons. Now, of course, this pricing is accurate as the making of today's video. Be sure to check out their pricing pages to get the most realistic and up-to-date pricing. But taking a look at QuickBooks, QuickBooks offers the Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced plans. Of course, both of them do offer some discounts for a limited time when you're just getting started as sort of an intro discount. Now, in terms of Sage Accounting, we're taking a look here specifically at the Sage Business Cloud Accounting. If you take a look at their overview or taking a look at Sage Accounting in terms of the different products they offer, Sage Business Cloud in general offers a lot of products. In this video, we're specifically just looking at their accounting software. They do also offer other services for other business management or other HR services, things like that as well. But just looking at their accounting specifically, just what's included with the business accounting software, they do have two plans. So they have the Sage Accounting Start and then the regular Sage Accounting. So I will say that Sage Accounting is more comparable to QuickBooks Simple Start or even their Essentials plan, but really just the Simple Start at the base version of QuickBooks Online. Those are two most comparable. I would say that Sage Accounting Start is more comparable to QuickBooks Self-Employed if you're at the more freelancer, smaller business stage, and you really just need to track your income and expenses. You don't really need the full suite of accounting software and the more detailed or more advanced reporting and analytics that comes with the regular QuickBooks product. Again, QuickBooks Self-Employed is a completely separate, different product, and it is a bit more limited, but it's also a little bit cheaper. So if you're looking to save money, then maybe take a look at QuickBooks Self-Employed if you're more at that freelancer business stage, and then that would be a more accurate comparison to taking a look at Sage Accounting Start, especially when comparing the pricing, at least at that rate, and when you're comparing the features. So in the Sage Accounting Start, all you could do is just create and send invoices, track what you're owed, and automatic bank reconciliation, which is fine. Even for some people who are above the freelance stage, maybe even if you're just at regular small business stage, then that can still work just for you. But again, it is more ideal for self-employed and much smaller businesses. They even call this the micro business, even smaller than a regular small business. But taking a look at Sage Accounting, which is the most accurate comparison here to like QuickBooks Online Simple Start or even some of their other plans, is that you're able to snap and post receipts. Here, you also have the ability for unlimited users, which is one key difference here between Sage versus QuickBooks, is that QuickBooks does charge you for more users. So if you need consistent users, like being able to not have to share a login, again, you could see if you need more people online at the same time, not sharing a login. So you would have to go to the Essentials to get 3 users, whereas the Sage Accounting, you can do unlimited users. Just even on their more base version of Sage Accounting, you don't have to pay more for additional users, which is nice. Additionally, on the Sage Accounting, you can send quotes and estimates. You can also do that on QuickBooks as well. You can forecast cash flow. Both of them have forecasting features as well in the systems, in their accounting software. In addition to that, you can manage purchase invoices. So you can do that on both of them as well. Managing quotes, estimates, and invoices, you can do that on both of the accounting software. Now, I will say in general, QuickBooks is a more popular solution. So if you're looking at bookkeepers and accountants, maybe if you're looking at hiring out some bookkeepers or accounting services, more people in general know of QuickBooks and are familiar with the software just because it is really like the gold standard for small business accounting. But Sage Accounting is still a great setup, especially maybe if you're doing things more in-house, then that's great. You can learn Sage Accounting and you can make it work for you. Now, one other key difference I do want to mention as well between the two softwares is that Sage Accounting does not have any way to do mileage tracking. So if you are maybe driving for your small business and you need to track your mileage, then hence your mileage may vary, and that's one thing that you really can only do within QuickBooks, at least at the moment. Sage does not have any way to do mileage tracking. So that's a key thing there. If you need to do mileage tracking, then you'd pretty much have to go with QuickBooks or maybe some other accounting software solution that has mileage tracking built in. If you need to do that, you can't really do that with Sage again. So if you don't have any mileage tracking, it doesn't matter to you, then cool. That may not matter, but that is one key difference there as well. Besides just the overall popularity of the platforms, in general, Sage Accounting, they do have still a pretty good software. And again, you're not limited by the number of users, which really is a nice feature, especially if you need to be adding more users. Now, another feature that both of them have is if you need to do payroll, you can add that on to both of the softwares. Both of them have the ability to add payroll on. So if you need the accounting software integrations, such as payroll or even time tracking, Sage Accounting, you can also add on payroll if you need that. They do have other products here that allow you to add on HR and payroll in terms of adding it to your overall Sage Business Cloud suite. It may be a little bit more expensive than QuickBooks if you need payroll, just because QuickBooks allows you to sort of bundle that into your pricing plan, versus Sage, it's sort of more of a separate product. So that's something to consider there, but they do still have the ability to do that for you. But compare their pricing. Of course, you could always talk to them directly to get the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, but it's not exactly bundled in. It is sort of more of a separate software compared to the way that QuickBooks is built and designed on the back end. So that's something to consider. Now, in terms of workflow automations, both of them do actually have some automation as well, which can help you when it comes to tracking your workflows. So as you can see here, Sage Accounting does have workflow automations. QuickBooks also has that built into their software as well. If you need some automation in terms of tracking where everything is going. Of course, you can automatically sync your bank and credit card transactions. But in addition to that, you do have the automated workflows that you can set up within QuickBooks. So you do also have that ability to do automated workflows. Again, you also can send and track invoices automatically on both softwares. As you can see here, you can do your invoicing and payments. And this is all just within the Simple Start. Simple Start really is the base version of QuickBooks Online, and that is what most people would be good for. In general, most people, Simple Start is just fine. It's just great for most people. If you need more users, then maybe you'd have to go with the more expensive plans. And then you're getting at a more expensive software in general compared to even Sage Accounting's regular pricing after that intro pricing. It would be more expensive once you go beyond the Simple Start. Really, the Simple Start and the Sage Accounting base versions are the most comparable in terms of their pricing. They're really about the same price range if you're just looking at that alone. Now, of course, in addition to, like I said before, doing the invoicing, you can get paid quickly with both of them as well, tracking your expenses automatically. So when it comes for tax time, you're all good there in terms of making sure you're maximizing your tax deductions on both softwares as well. Addition to that, of course, you have your cash flow. You can manage with your bank transactions, credit card transactions, just getting everything automatically imported, which is really nice as well. So in general, both softwares are definitely worth considering. It's definitely both of them are a step above spreadsheets. If you're comparing, just looking at like a QuickBooks or Sage versus a Excel or Google Sheets or a spreadsheet in general, definitely a step above in terms of automation and saving you quite a bit of time from manual processes. So both of them are definitely a step above that, but it just comes down to what your specific needs are in terms of, do you need the mileage tracking? Well, that's a key thing that QuickBooks offers. Or do you want more users? Then maybe that's something that Sage would be better for you. Really, both of them have discounted intro periods and trials set up, so you can at least test both of them out and get a feel for the different accounting software. So really, that pretty much wraps up this video comparing Sage Accounting versus QuickBooks Accounting. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Again, if you do want special pricing on QuickBooks, you can check out that first link down in the description box below. That's brennanvalesky.com/QuickBooks. That will take you right over to a special QuickBooks pricing page where you can get access to special pricing. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video comparing QuickBooks versus Sage versus QuickBooks, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well and notification bell as well so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that is all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.